Hello guys, welcome to CloudRaga. In previous video we saw how to create objects of Java class and then how to access certain things outside of that class whose object we have created. So this is the way we can access the variables outside of the class. And here we just store that variable in same type of type string because the name is of same type here in person class. There it is, and then printing it. We can directly access this outside of the class as well. So if I run this close, I run as application. So it's print RAM, and if I want to access this, I'll just Control X, do this, comment this outline. If I run this code one more time, again it's RAM. Okay, so today we will see how to create methods. Okay, method in Java. So why we need method? We can say use for business logic, like where you write your content, where what's the requirement. If you have some requirements, you have to put it somewhere. So method is the right place where you can write your contents. Your logic goes there. Okay. So what's the syntax for that? If you want to create any method in Java, so we have to know its syntax as well. So it goes like, first of all, the modifier, then return type, then method name. You can see I'm giving this method in camel case. Then curly brace open, curly brace close. So this is the syntax of creating any method in Java. Here we can say code goes here. Okay, if I have to write its example, so I can say modifier, it's going to be public, return type, let's say int, method name, let's say get age, parenthesis, curly brace open, curly brace close, and here we can have the same thing, code goes here. So in next video we will see this whole thing in a running mode and how to create methods, how to access that the same way like we access variables. Thanks for watching this video guys. Let's meet in next video. Bye bye.